The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. And I know a lot of you guys are new guys that never been here before, so make sure to watch the entire video, because I think this, if you're interested in CHILIZ, and I know you are since you searched for this, I think you want to hear what I gotta say, because you know, BitBoy creeped on the moon and a lot of people are talking about CHILIZ, and I just want to bring you a bit back to the ground, okay? So here on this channel we do technical analysis, and we really don't care about fundamentals, what's next big thing, what's gonna happen tomorrow or next year, what kind of technology they have. We only look at the charts and see what's gonna happen, right? So there has been a lot of talk about CHILIZ, and I want to kind of tell you what's happening from my perspective. So let's start and see what's gonna happen. So basically CHILIZ did really nice. Let's get into the weekly chart. So these last 2 weeks it just exploded, and it did, I think, 1000%, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 1000%. That's 11-12 times the money. There are some very rich people out there right now, and if you count all the way down here where I actually think the FUD started, not FUD, sorry, shilling started, 259, that's 27 times the money. So you have to understand, when somebody gets 27 times the money, they're gonna start selling and taking profits. I don't care who you are, you buying CHILIZ, this is CHILIZ, it's not Bitcoin, okay? This CHILIZ is not Bitcoin. You're gonna take profits. So let's start looking at the moving averages. You can see here that we are overextended above everything. It's still going highly up, still above all moving averages, still an uptrend, but we are getting extended from the 10 moving average. You can see here on the 4-hourly chart, still extended from the, and still going up. It looks like this is gonna go on forever, right? It looks like it's gonna go on forever. So we have to see what we can get out of these charts. So we're gonna start in looking at some RSI down here, and these 3 indicators over here. Let me remove just this line. I'm gonna explain to you what this indicator down here is. So this RSI, MACD, and PPO. We're gonna look at first of all on the RSI indicator, and we're gonna see that on the daily everything looks nice. On the weekly everything looks nice. There are no divergences or something like that. But look here, on the weekly we got RSI on 98. And however you put it, RSI of 98, soon to be 99, is kind of overbought. Okay, so this is on the weekly. So however you look at it, you need some kind of pullback from these kind of levels. Daily we are at 94, and 4-hourly we are a little back at 84. So daily and weekly are very overbought levels. We are very extended to the upside. So there is a lot of new people coming in, pushing the price higher and higher. They get into it because the price is keeping going up, and we're gonna see what's happening. So right now, I told you there is no divergences on daily or weekly, but there is a divergence on the 4-hourly chart. So basically this thing goes down while the price goes up, and that usually means that we are in need of some kind of correction over here, right? We had small corrections over here, but there was no divergence or anything like that. But now we actually have a 4-hourly divergence over here, and the price should retrace at least a bit and reset some of the levels. That's the same thing that happened in Bitcoin. We got too overextended, and we need some pullbacks, some corrections, you know, to reset the momentum, you know, to let all people to sell take their profits and stuff like that before the price can continue moving higher up. So right now we are looking at, we are really extended on the RSI. Now I want you to follow this indicator down here. This is PPO, a little bit different PPO. What I want you to notice here, I don't want to go and explain. I want you to notice this peak over here. There is a little peak over here. You can see the peak, right? And when this happens, this indicator tells you that it went all the way up there. So basically it just measures the distance between the 10 moving average and the price. So the further the price is away from the certain moving average, in this case the 10 moving average, the higher the peak you get, right? And when it gets extended, you can think of a rubber band. Like when you extend the rubber band really hard, like really hard, it has to pull back, right? And that's what happened here. So you can use this top over here as some kind of benchmark that when you get to those levels, like some kind of pullback is needed. And when we go back here, you can see here that all the way through this entire phase over here, we are never that extended, but you can see here that this extension starts to getting real quick. You can see this one over here extended, had a big pullback down, started rising, then we got this almost all the way up to the line and pulled back. Now we got this over here, top over here, got pulled back, and now we are again above the line and going further higher up, and I'm expecting some kind of pullback. Not only that, this time, the first time we got really extended from the line, but the second time we didn't, and we still got higher. So you can also look at this as the force behind the rubber band is getting kind of weaker. It's still able to push price up, but it's kind of getting weaker. And now the very bearish news, it's on the volume. The price is keeping going up, but the volume is going down, and that's very bad. That's very bad. When volume is going up, when price goes up, the volume should go up as well. But here the volume is going down. That means even though price is going up, the people buying are getting less and less. So all in all, we are very extended, although we are above certain moving averages, and we are looking. Let me look at this on the 1 hourly. Everything still looks good. So this can continue going up. How high, I'm not quite sure, but it is very extended. So I just want to in this video give you a warning that this is very extended. I've seen people talking about it on certain sites where these pump and dumps usually happen, and when that starts to happen, I conclude certain things. So when I see something pump like 1,000–2,000% in a couple of weeks, my first reaction is like, is it legit? And the second reaction is like, okay, I don't want to FOMO in. So you do your trades, not financial advice. You do what you want to do with your money. I'll do with what I want to do with my money. My opinion only on all that shebang. But to me, this looks like it's way too extended to be able to continue in this manner without any decent pullback. So maybe the pullback is going to go back down to the 20 moving average. Let's go on the daily. Let's go on daily. So either it's going to go back to the white one, the 10 moving average, or the 20, the red moving average, or the 50, or the 100, or 200. I don't quite know how much it's going to pull back, or if it's going to be just like fast pullback and go down, or it's going to be sideways movement until the averages pick up with the price and continue going up, or is this a blow off top and then the price will just continue going down. What's going to happen, it's hard to tell by looking at technical analysis, but what we can conclude is that we are certainly overextended on all the metrics, and the price volume is falling down while the prices still keep rising up. So how long this is going to hold, I don't know. I cannot tell you. So no price prediction in this video, but I just want to give you a warning because I know a lot of people are searching for CHILIZ right now. This is overextended, even for me. And if you like the analysis, subscribe to the channel, man. We do tech analysis here on certain altcoins and stuff like that. If that's your thing, join the party. Anyways, thanks for watching. Clicking the like button and all the shebang. Bye bye.